Hello, Bacho. Let's read the question. The question says here, formula for dispersive power is what? In bracket, where symbols have their usual meanings. Okay. Or if the refractive indices of ground glass for red, yellow, and violet colors are respectively Nr, Ny, and Nv, then the dispersive power of this glass would be what? Let's find out. So before we get into the question, let's review some basics of dispersive power. The breaking of white light into its constituent colors is referred to as dispersion. A spectrum is a collection of colors. Okay, collection of colors is referred to. Is sorry. Before we get into the question, let's review some basics of dispersive power. The breaking of white light into its constituent colors is referred to as dispersion. So a spectrum is a collection of colors. The separation of different colors of light by refraction is the dispersive power of a transparent medium. So consider a glass prism. The refractive index of a prism is determined by the connection relationship. Okay, n is equals to sine a plus d by 2 divided by sine a by 2, where a is the prism's central angle and delta is the deviation angle. Okay, your delta is the deviation angle. If a is a small angle prism's refracting angle and is the angle of deviation delta, the prism formula is as follows. Your n, this one is the prism formula. In the place of d, we will put delta, sine a plus delta divided by 2 whole divided by sine a by 2. So because we are taking about small angled prisms, sine a plus delta divided by 2 is equals to a plus delta by 2, and sine a by 2 is equals to a by 2. So here n will be a plus delta by 2 divided by a by 2. So na equals to a plus delta. Therefore is delta is equals to n minus 1 into a. So the corresponding wavelengths are nv and nr. nv and nr. Okay. If delta v and delta r are the deviations of violet and red rays respectively, as a result, the angular dispersion is expressed as delta v minus delta r is equals to nv minus nr into a. The difference in deviation between extreme colors is known as angular dispersion. Okay, so if ny and delta y are the refractive index and deviation of an intermediate wavelength yellow, then delta v delta y is equals to ny minus 1 into a. When both equations are divided, we get delta v minus delta r divided by delta y is equals to nv minus nr divided by ny. The term del v minus del r divided by delta y stands for dispersive power of the prism's substance and is represented by the symbol omega. Okay, so here omega is, this is omega. Okay, thus omega is equals to ny minus 1 into a divided by nv minus nr into a. So here w is equals to ny minus 1 divided by Nv minus Nr. Okay. Therefore, the dispersive power of this glass would be Nv minus Nr divided by Ny minus 1. This is the dispersive dispersive power of this glass. Okay, this is the answer. Option B is the correct answer. Thank you.